Imagine this. You're enjoying a peaceful evening at home, streaming your favorite show on Ooma. Suddenly, a notification pops up. Your payment method has been declined. Panic sets in. You're cut off from your entertainment. How frustrating, right? But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change your payment method on Ooma, so you can get back to enjoying your entertainment without any interruptions. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's quickly understand why it might be necessary to change your payment method. There could be a few reasons. Expired card. Your credit or debit card might have expired. Insufficient funds. There might not be enough funds in your account. Account issues. There could be a temporary issue with your payment provider. Personal preference. You might want to switch to a different payment method for convenience or security. Whatever the reason, changing your payment method on Ooma is a straightforward process that can be done in a few minutes. Tutorial. Step 1. Access your Ooma account. The first step is to log in to your Ooma account. You can do this by visiting the Ooma website or opening the Ooma app on your smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings or Account section. Within this section, you should find an option related to payments or billing. Click on it. Step 3. Update payment information. You'll be presented with your current payment information. To update it, click on the Edit or Update button. A form will appear where you can enter your new payment details. Important note, make sure to enter your correct card number, expiration date, and security code, CVV. Also, double-check the billing address to ensure it matches the information on your card. Step 4. Confirm changes. After entering your new payment details, review them carefully to avoid errors. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save or Submit button to confirm the changes. Additional tips. Multiple payment methods. Ooma might allow you to add multiple payment methods. This can be helpful if you have a backup card or prefer to use different methods for different services. Automatic payments. Check if Ooma offers automatic payment options. This can help you avoid late fees and ensure uninterrupted service. Contact support. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Ooma's customer support. They can assist you with the process and resolve any issues. Changing your payment method on Ooma is a simple task that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can quickly update your payment information and avoid any interruptions to your Ooma services. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and update your payment method on Ooma and get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without any hassle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.